To play Farming Simulator 25 with your friends in multiplayer, first we'll need to launch the game and then select multiplayer. Now if you want to host the game, click on create game. If you want to join the game, click on join game. In this case, let's go for create game. We can select the empty slot and then adjust our settings. We can change our preset to new farmer, farm manager, start from scratch, and that is all of the options for presets. We can also switch our map style. Then also there's more difficulty options like starting money, starting loan, and economic difficulty. When you're ready, click on continue, then select the server name. You can enter the password. Here also provide your port number and then adjust the number of players that you want to play with. We can also change our internet connection type, then the multiplayer language, enable or disable crossplay, and enable or disable auto accept. So if you have a friend that plays on PS5 and you play on PC, then I recommend to enable the crossplay, otherwise he won't be able to join. Now we can click on the start and our server should start. Now if he wants to join, as I said in the beginning of this video, he needs to click on join game, and that way he'll be able to join your game.